trying the E.L.F. Jelly Pop collection. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. And hey, if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, could you please hit that subscribe button right now and the bell notifications. On my channel, you'll find everything from makeup to skincare to fashion to travel to meditation. Anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, I was at Ulta the other day and I found this actually on sale. This is the E.L.F. Jelly Pop skincare set. And I've been wanting to try this. I heard it was pretty good. But I'm wondering, how does it work on mature skin? Well, first of all, how is it going to feel on my face? And am I going to alter the instructions any to accommodate, skin that's maybe over 50 as opposed to the teens and 20-somethings that maybe also use this product? Well, I'm going to demonstrate it for you right now. The first thing I'm trying is this cleanser, the E.L.F. Jelly Pop Watermelon Jelly Cleanser. Now, this is supposed to be safe for skin and eyes. This is to dampen your skin. So just use my hands to splash water on my face. I'm going to just take a little bit on my finger. And it says use in a circular motion. It's supposed to be great for removing makeup, including eye makeup. So I'm gently going to try and remove my mascara and my eyeshadow, my brows, and the neck. Okay, now let's take the washcloth and it feels good. The watermelon smell, I was worried it might be a little bit strong. It was not. It was just a very light smell. So far, I'm liking this cleanser. Okay, after washing and drying my face, I'm going to now try the E.L.F. Jelly Pop Watermelon Glitter Face Mask. It says to apply to clean, dry skin. And do a generous amount. Look at it, it's nice and pink. Yeah. Let's do the under eyes and all around my mouth, into the neck. Okay, you're supposed to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Okay, it's now been about 15 minutes since I put on the mask, so it's time to rinse it off. Here's a washcloth. When rinsing off, it actually leaves my skin with kind of a nice silky feeling. And then the next step is to moisturize. So this is the moisturizer, E.L.F. Jelly Pop Water Gel Moisturizer. And it comes in a pump. You don't want to come out. Oh, here we go. Okay, it's just a clear liquid. And it does have a very mild watermelon tint. It is a water-based moisturizer. I don't think it has, I looked at the ingredients, it has like natural fruit elements. Of course, everything from E.L.F. is vegan and cruelty-free. But I don't think it has like the peptides, it doesn't have any retinol, anything like that. So basically, I'm gonna put this moisturizer on now, let it sit, let it dry, and then before I go to bed tonight, I'm gonna reapply like a retinol, peptide serum, and a more creamy moisturizer to sleep. For some of the younger customers, I think this E.L.F. Water Gel Moisturizer may be enough. But for me, I think I'm probably going to need a little bit more later tonight. Okay, it's the next morning. And after using these products, I will say this was a very refreshing, invigorating experience. This cleanser is one that I think I will be using probably with a little more consistency. It's a great little kit to travel with. I think I may actually save it for that. But the cleanser was great at removing makeup. It did not sting at all. I could use it to remove eye makeup as well as everything from lips to brows to the cheeks. Pretty much the works. It was a really nice, gentle cleanser to remove makeup. Very refreshing. Now this mask also very, very refreshing. It made my skin feel good. It's called a glitter face mask. I did not really see a lot of glitter in it, which is good. I tried another glitter mask and it left my glitter all over me for days. This one, just a hint of a shine. And it did not really have a lot of color when it went on either. But it was just a nice, cool, refreshing mask. And the same thing with the moisturizer. Very nice and refreshing. After doing everything, washing, moisturizing, the works, the skin felt very, very soft. It felt firm, a little bit sticky to the touch. But again, this does not really have a lot of the nutrients that I like to put on my face every day. It's water, glycerin, let's see, watermelon fruit extract, then a bunch of chemical things. It does say castor oil. But I don't see any of the peptides, the retinol, or the type of nutrients that I generally like to put on my face every day. So this is not going to be my regular daily moisturizing treatment. It is going to be just a nice little treat that I do once in a while. I put on this mask actually before dinner last night. So then about 4 or 5 hours later when I was getting ready for bed, I applied retinol, my favorite peptide cereal, buffet with copper peptides from The Ordinary, and I used my moisturizer from number 7. So, I made sure I got my nutrients as well, and overall my skin feels fresh. Today, I think I'm still feeling a little bit of the freshness from this mask. So yes, I do recommend it, but I do not recommend it as your exclusive method of treatment. Well, that's it for today. If you like this video, could you please give us a thumbs up? Also, if you have a favorite product, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.